Meaning of Friends Meeting House.
Friends Meeting House.
Friends Meeting House.
Friends Meeting House.
Friends Meeting House. A Friends Meeting House is a place of worship and gathering for members of the Religious Society of Friends, also known as Quakers. It is typically a simple, unadorned building with a large meeting room where members sit in silence until someone feels moved to speak. The focus of the meeting house is on the presence of the divine within each individual, rather than on any specific religious doctrine or clergy. Friends Meeting Houses can be found worldwide and are a symbol of the Quaker commitment to simplicity, equality, and peacefulness.